Today, we are going to add a dummy action to VS Code. You will find that it's very easy. Before starting to code, we need to start the watch daemon first. After opening the VS Code source code, press Ctrl, Shift, and B. Then, you will see call and extent in the terminal panel. First of all, there is a core concept in VS Code, contributions. If you want to add some new features to VS Code, we don't need to change existing code. We only need to add contributions to the editor or the workbench. In this way, the core logic of VS Code is decoupled from other logic. There are two main parts of VS Code, the editor and the workbench. The editor is called Monaco editor, which can be used standalone. The workbench consists of all the other parts of VS Code. Now, let's start coding. First, we need to create a new folder called 北望 AI inside source, VS, workbench, contrib. Click new folder, 北望 AI. Then, add a new file called 北望 AI.contribution.ts inside browser. In order to link our code to VS Code, we need to import this file. Now, let's jump to workbench, workbench.common.main.ts. Then jump to the region of workbench contributions. We can see region, workbench contributions. Import our new file. Let's go back to our new file. You can see there is an error message. Yes linked warns us about the file header. This is because each VS Code source file must have a copyright header. Luckily, we don't need to type it manually. Just enter header and press tab. Now it's time for our dummy action. In VS Code, each action is a subclass of action tool. So we create a new class called Hello World action that extends action tool. To add this action to the workbench, we need to use register action tool and the Hello World action. To make TypeScript happy, we need to add a constructor and a run function to our action. You can press Ctrl and click action tool. You will find constructor function and run function. In the constructor function, we need to call super and set F1 to true. F1 refers to the shortkey for the command palette. When you press F1 or Ctrl and Alt and P, the component that pops out is called the command palette. This config will make this action callable in the command palette. Then, ID. ID is the unique identifier for this action. We call it 北望 AI.hello. Then, title. Title will be shown in the command palette. And we need to call localize2. Localize2 function is for localization and translation. We call it dummy and dummy hello. Now we use quick fix to import localize2. Then let's add our run function. We can simply log a message. console.log hello world from 北望 AI. Finally, we can start VS Code to test our dummy action. Press F5 and VS Code will pop out. Let's press F1, then enter dummy. You will see our action. Now let's press enter. The log will be printed in the console. So we need to open Menu, Help, toggle Developer Tools, then open the Console tab. Here is our log message. That's all. Adding an action in VS Code is quite easy, isn't it? If you want to know more about VS Code development, subscribe to this channel. See you next time.